Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Stark. I am going to go over Canvas. I'm going to do a quick Canvas review so we know exactly what we're supposed to be doing on Canvas and a couple things just in case we don't know. So whenever you come into my class, you'll see the modules. Okay, the first thing for you to notice is that I do want you to take this attendance form every day. It's good to get an update of how we're doing, and if there's anything going on, you can leave that there. Especially if like you're stressed or something, you just need to get it out. This is a great way to do that. Couple of things. The next module you see is the reading log for the bingo sheet. So as we work on the reading strategies, you will be using that bingo sheet. That's just informational for you. And I'm going to start adding some informational videos on here for you if you ever need a review on how to find something or what you may need. And then you'll see your modules for the week, which you guys have done a good job of using. Anything that looks like this is a link to something. If it looks like this, it's an assignment. Okay, and then I do list on there if it's a video, so you can go through and watch any videos that you need to help you get through what you're doing. Home, I made home and modules the same, so it doesn't matter which one you click, it's going to take you to the same spot. I will say on the home, you can see your to-do list off to the side, so that'll help you know what assignments you need to get done. If you click on grades, it's a quick way for you to see if you have something turned in or not. So this is my test student. You can see they have turned nothing in. So you want to make sure that you are turning those assignments in, and you'll see when it's turned in, it'll no longer say missing. So that's a great opportunity for you to see very quickly what you need to work on. If you click on the assignment, it'll take you to where it would have been graded. If I have graded it, make sure you're looking for those comments, or if you need to add a comment, I am giving you feedback when I can. But you also can click on the link again, and it'll take you to that actual assignment. All right, if you click on assignments, though, you also can look at that list of assignments. You can see which ones are overdue, which ones are upcoming, and which ones I didn't put a date on, but I'm going to be putting a date on them from now on. Okay, or you can also show by type and see they're all imported assignments, which means that I pulled them from another class. So make sure that you are looking through Canvas the best that you can. Remember, there is a calendar option that'll show you when assignments are due, so you can keep track of those as well, and that applies for all of your classes.